Welcome. In this video I will show you how to switch between profiles on your Logitech G512 X keyboard. So first let's check out our profiles section by expanding the profiles list right here and go into manage profiles menu. As you can see, we have one game profile and one desktop profile. So by default, once you enter your game, your profile will switch to the game one if you enable profile switching by hitting this checkbox. But if you want to use a shortcut to switch your profiles, you're gonna have to go to devices, then select your keyboard, then open the assignments menu, and let's select the FN layout. And for example, we can use the F2 key and remap it to switch between profiles. To do that, we have to select the key, remap, and in assignment, select system. Then let's scroll down until we find the G HUB, and here we have the profile cycle. Then confirm. And now if we press FN and F2, we'll switch between the test profile. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.